In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Yahoo Mail to Gmail. First, open your preferred web browser and head to yahoo.com. In the top right corner of the page, look for the sign in button and click it. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your Yahoo account. If you use two-step verification, complete that process as well, and give it a moment to finish signing you in. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right and click Mail to open Yahoo Mail. Inside your mailbox, find the settings icon, usually a small gear, and click it. From the menu that appears, choose More Settings to open the full settings panel, which gives you access to all the mailbox options you'll need. On the left side, select Mailboxes. Here, you'll see options to manage your accounts. Click Add Mailbox, then choose Google. In the field provided, type your Gmail address and click Next. This begins a secure connection process between Yahoo and Google so your mail can flow to Gmail using Google's permissions. A Google sign-in window will appear. Click Sign In with Google. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll see your account listed. Select the correct account. If not, sign into your Google account as prompted. After that, you'll land on a permissions screen. To ensure everything works smoothly, choose Select All so Yahoo has the access it needs to deliver messages properly. Review the details, then click Continue. You'll be taken back to Yahoo to finalize the setup. Click Done to complete the connection. If you don't see the update immediately, wait a moment and then refresh your Yahoo Mail settings page. You should now see your Gmail address listed under Mailboxes, confirming the link is active. A few tips as you wrap up. Keep the Google sign-in window open until you finish granting permissions, since closing it too early can interrupt the process. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the Google window can appear. And remember, it can take a little time for the connection to sync fully the first time, so don't worry if changes aren't instant. That's it. You've connected Yahoo Mail with Gmail through the built-in Google option and confirmed the setup. From here, your accounts are linked and your messages will begin flowing based on the permissions you granted. If you ever need to review or adjust the connection, return to Yahoo Mail's settings, open More Settings, and check Mailboxes for the current status.